We made this video in case you are having problems with using the Spectrum cable TV system in rental unit 212. However, these procedures may apply to other Spectrum cable TV systems as well. To save some unneeded wording, if I say press the button, I will always be talking about the remote control unit unless otherwise stated. In a perfect digital world, you would press one button and everything would work perfectly. Mostly that is the case with this cable system. You point the remote at the TV and cable box and press the System On/Off button at the very top left-hand side of the remote. It may take a few seconds for everything to turn on. Some TVs are slower than others warming up. If you see nothing on the screen after some time, look to see if both the cable box and TV are turned on. The cable box has a power light on its far left side, and the TV has a power light, in some cases like this one, on the lower right side. If neither are on, be sure there is nothing in front of the cable box, and once again press the remote control System On/Off button at the very top left corner. In my experience, it's been important to point the remote directly at the cable box and TV. Still having problems? To check the batteries in the remote, press the light button located at the center very most bottom. If the remote lit up, the remote control should be working just fine. If the remote does not light up, rotate the batteries a little inside the back battery compartment. I have found sometimes that is all that is needed. If the TV power light came on but not the cable box, you could simply press the power button on the far left side of the cable box, or from the remote press CBL button, which stands for cable, located on the far right side, second row, and then press the power button right above the cable button. If the cable box light is on, but not the TV power light, press the TV button, second row, next to the cable button, and then press the power button on the top right side. If the power is on both the TV and the cable box, you should be seeing a TV program. If you're not, and you see the TV saying no signal or no input, it may be the video source is not on HDMI 2. This system needs to be on the HDMI 2 source. Your own personal system may use a different video source than HDMI 2. Please change this one back by pressing the TV button on the second row, second from the last, then the video source button, last row, far left, until the HDMI 2 is highlighted on the TV. Most cable systems are plugged into the TV with an HDMI cable, and often there are multiple HDMI TV inputs. All should be well by now, and you're watching cable TV. The only remote things I could think of are if someone unplugged the system, a breaker in the hallway is tripped, or the cable system is out. For your convenience, a TV guide is provided by Spectrum. The blue button, third row, far left, will take you there. You can navigate that menu with the remote up and down buttons in the fourth row, center. To get out of that guide, simply press the guide button again, or the blue exit button, third row, far right. You could also press any of the numbered channel buttons. We do provide only basic cable channels, no premium channels. Please don't sign us up for any, as we are trying to keep your rental costs down. Besides, you should be out having fun instead of in front of this TV set. If you appreciated this free instructional video, please subscribe to our channel to show your appreciation. We would appreciate that very much. Most of our videos are how to do this or how to do that.